Are you ready to unlock an epic anime streaming experience right from your Fire Stick or Kodi? Whether you're a seasoned anime fan or just getting started, I'll guide you step by step on how to install and enjoy anime content seamlessly. Stick around for pro tips that'll enhance your viewing experience. Funimation is a treasure trove for anime lovers. With over 10,000 episodes and movies, you'll find everything from fan favorites to timeless classics. Plus, it's ad-free and offers English-dubbed content for those who prefer it. And guess what? You don't have to wait long for new episodes. They're available within 2 weeks of airing. Here's the deal. Funimation isn't available globally. It's currently accessible in countries like the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and a few others. But don't worry if it's not available in your region. You can easily unlock it by changing your location. I'll share a quick way to do this later in the video. Let's dive into the first method, installing the official Funimation app directly from the Amazon App Store on your Fire TV home screen. Select Find and then click Search. Type Funimation and choose the app from the results. Hit Get or Download to install. Once installed, open the app, sign in, and you're good to go. If you prefer using Kodi or another method, no worries, I've got you covered. You'll find detailed steps in the video description to explore these options. Now for the game changer. Using a VPN not only gives you access to Funimation, but also ensures smooth, buffer-free streaming. Here's how to set it up on your Fire Stick. Search for VPN app in the Amazon App Store and download it. Sign in with your credentials, select a server in a supported Funimation region, and connect. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy your favorite shows without limits. Funimation offers flexible plans depending on your region, with a free trial to get you started. Whether you're looking for monthly or yearly options, there's something for everyone. That's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your streaming experience. Check out the description below for step-by-step instructions, links, and more pro tips. Happy streaming, and I'll see you in the next video!